Alright guys, how you doing? I'm Eddie V and welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, I'm Eddie V. Go ahead, like and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Now, my BMW has a problem. Don't worry, it's not as serious as it seems like. All it is actually I have a small tire leak that I couldn't find on my own, so I'm going to have to take it to the shop, which they said they'll do it for 10 bucks. So we'll see what happens. But it is not a bad problem, just a tire leak. I'll explain later how the tire leak happened. This is a tire that has a small leak. I'm hoping it's not low in air right now. I'm hoping it's not back at 20 some. And I could get it repaired for 10 bucks. I'll tell you now, guys, the story of how it happened. Alright, we're gonna be driving a little bit, see if it turns back on. I'm hoping we don't have anything that I hope we have enough air to get there. I'm tired of filling it up, so the problem is just getting worse and worse. Alright guys, so I just literally filled up this tire yesterday evening and it's going flat again. So we're hoping to make it without anything tear. We're gonna go 50 miles an hour max. So yeah, it's low. So hopefully we can make it there. I mean, we probably will, but yeah, this tire is becoming annoying because it's going flat. So we'll see what's gonna happen now. Because this is more than just a small leak now. It's it's like every 12 hours. So it's just getting worse. So we're gonna go ahead and get it there. Now I'm gonna tell you the story of I don't know what happened, but the story of how I started noticing it. Alright, so how I noticed it, there was a leak. Well, first of all, you do notice because in newer cars like this, they have a low tire pressure sensor warning. So it tells me if I got a low tire or not. Well, I was getting ready for a trip one time and it said low tire. And apparently it was all of them this time. I mean, well, kind of all of them. The left tire was lower than the other three. So I pumped air. Then it was good for a month. Then just next thing you know, I'm going to Cars and Coffee. As soon as I drive out, it says low tire. So I went out and pumped up. It was like at 25 PSI or 28. So I went and pumped that up. Okay, it was fine. Next day again, same tire again, and I was going somewhere else on the trip. And today, when I'm going to, actually yesterday, I went ahead and tried to find a leak. I couldn't find a leak where it's coming from. You know how they use the soap method, you spray soapy water and see bubbles coming out. Well, I couldn't find it, so I don't know where it's coming from. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna go tomorrow morning to the tire shop, discount tire shop, and see how much they'll do it for. They said $10, so we'll see if they stick to their word when they find and fix the leak. So, but I'm driving now, and another tire light comes up. So this is why you take care of tire leaks right away, because they just get worse and worse and worse. Alright guys, so they just took my Beamer into the shop, and we'll see how well they do and what they find. Hopefully I'm allowed to show you guys what they do find and where the leak is coming from. Alright guys, so this is the problem. It's leaking out of here. This is the cracked rim. Alright guys, so some good news here. I reset my TPS, tire pressure sensor, if anybody's wondering. And they fixed the crack in the rim, and hopefully everything is well. So yeah, I recommend, if you can't find a leak, take it to the shop and have them do it for 10 bucks, but this time it was a $125 fix. So we'll see how well this weld holds on. Alright guys, so it has been quite a while, and as far as I can see, this tire has not lost any air. So all I gotta do is be careful on the road not to hit any potholes so the weld won't crack. But other than that, I'll be saving up for probably a new set of rims, hopefully, and I'll get something that's pretty cool. But yeah, alright guys, so thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and like this video, comment, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button with that notification bell.